Today, we're tackling the question, does DoorDash track mileage? It's a query that many DoorDash drivers and potential Dashers are curious about. Let's dive into the details to understand how mileage tracking works for DoorDash drivers. First off, it's crucial to understand the importance of tracking mileage for delivery drivers. Mileage tracking is key for tax purposes and for evaluating the profitability of your delivery gigs. It helps in calculating deductions and can significantly impact your net earnings. DoorDash as a platform provides a lot of tools for drivers, but when it comes to directly tracking mileage, the app itself does not automatically track the miles you drive while making deliveries. This might be surprising to some, but it highlights the need for drivers to use third-party apps or their own methods to keep an accurate record of miles driven for work. Now, this doesn't mean DoorDash leaves you entirely in the dark. The company does provide some information after the fact, like total distance covered on deliveries, but it's not real-time tracking and might not include all the miles you spend on the job. For example, the distance to a restaurant or to the starting point of your dash isn't typically included in these calculations. Therefore, for comprehensive mileage tracking, drivers often turn to popular third-party apps. Apps like Stride, MileIQ, and Everlance are favorites among gig workers. They run in the background, automatically logging every mile driven, which can then be easily categorized as personal or for DoorDash. Using these apps, drivers can ensure that they're capturing the full scope of their work-related mileage. This becomes invaluable during tax season, allowing Dashers to claim the maximum possible deductions for vehicle expenses, thereby reducing taxable income and potentially leading to significant savings. In conclusion, while DoorDash does not automatically track mileage for drivers within its app, understanding the importance of this task is critical for anyone in the delivery business. By utilizing third-party apps to accurately log miles, DoorDash drivers can better manage their earnings and tax obligations. Thank you for watching. Remember, in the gig economy, being informed and proactive about things like mileage tracking can make a big difference in your overall success. Stay savvy and happy dashing.